for a higher GC news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot enamede bro. Now answer simuni nyina beba no. So we nya subscribe ya bomodi say over subscribe. Now we like video no give us a thumbs up. Now fi share na wo foforo so na we nya bi hwe. Now we ensema ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanom. Afi tentemara yibura ye ensema abeto yepono so yekuti AS report yi AS ansem ya ba bodudwai moma yeti AS ansemi mweti.
Enra sam he maternity general no ho. Me bibi ye no papa no mu hu o tsa papa shi me do nyame he attorney general no behave to sa papa shi and me show be a neocolonialism and imperialism we share the posture as our support no hu ye mahi as a buying way through America. Meanwhile, what me at deport Israelis. Look. And me a famous son of catch of you about was a Attorney General by a press conference. I can't them. And Rami can't Commander Sugar Factory. We say, oh, I said, I can't. Na government issue press statement about Commander Sugar Factory. John Mama, thank you for asking people to listen so you can take decisions. God bless you, John Mama. Me we papa meka we born so I will give it to you. Between you and I, you know, say, me meka. Attorney General behaving to say papa she.
That he has hired some of the top yesterday. Critical question, because what the strategy that Kwabena Agyapong and his acolytes in the social media and mainstream media have engaged in is to continuously misreport. At some point in time, I thought of bringing applications for contempt because they are undermining the very administration of justice. Have you ever seen or heard my deputy, the Honorable Justice Swimside, commenting on the case after court? I have given him strict instructions. We don't do that. All right? We are the leaders of the bar. We must go by the ethical traditions of the bar. You don't comment on a case in a manner that adversely, affects the case that is being made in court. But this is what they're doing. So they get bloggers, they pay everyone to be saying things that are not. So for instance, if you say, the evidence is now coming out that Ghana must go back of money were being transferred. It's normal at the national security. For God's sake, I didn't say if you look at my case. I never said that Kwabena Agyapong stole money in Ghana must go back. Have I made that case? So what is the relevance of the Ghana must go back argument? All right, I leave it to you, to your judgment. But if you look at my case, there were bank transfers, and I also have evidence of how the money was spent. Okay, I just want to ask the strategy that Kwabena Agyapong and his acolytes in the social media and mainstream media have engaged in is to continuously misreport. At some point in time, I thought of bringing applications for contempt because they are undermining the very administration of justice. Have you ever seen or heard my deputy, the Honorable Justice Swimside, commenting on the case after court? I have given him strict instructions. We don't do that. All right? We are the leaders of the bar. We must go by the ethical traditions of.
Make us Attorney General will be having to say Papa Shia Mosemboa. I saw no can never Kwabena Agyapong. Yay. And when the catcher say court di asema obi antimi nka ho asem yet Chroma 2012 election petition so ya attorney general or a law lecturer mumusa no sanya papa shi adwen na dantima den tina na Supreme Court to pon na yama NDC for addressing the media na MPP for addressing the media. What is the attorney general talking about? Even if the apex court of the land allowed that, the apex court of adjudicature allowed that, the lawyer should address the media. What is the high court? And who said that? Say case was court and can courtesy case study Alfred Agbesi Woyome. Adelai, Woyome's case is still in court. Say me, why do we still talk about it? Yay! Look, okay? Master Sophie say, what would Deputy Nimejumane Chenwa please resign and go? It's as simple as ABC. Already there's a strategy against you. So resign and go. Ayedi. Oh, say na Ken Ofori Atta sky high lawyers. America. Also the powerful lawyers in America. Brilliant lawyers in America. Expensive lawyers in America. Meanwhile, abu Trica tiakonwam na yade ne nsa gurechi de handcuff ato ne nsa. Abran say tiemu ka to say me pesa me lawyers wo handsome akasa. Eno de Ghana yoko fu ampene ba Ken Ofori Atta de wenya lawyer wa America. Hey, really? Producer Bobo Ghana Funche.
I just got to know, that he has hired some of the top. Yesterday, I got to know that he has hired some of the top lawyers in the United States of America.
I just got to know yesterday. When was my make a turn? Hey, Ghana, there be way there, it borders on security, so I will not say it. Ghana is a serious country. Attorney General, he just got to know yesterday. And right Thursday, until Wednesday. Obia okatre ye nra ne se waye oni OSP aye extradition order no dada no. Eti neche se Attorney General person che se Ken Ofori Atta wo lawyers top lawyers wa America. Eti the extradition order no ebe fall flat. Ankusi baby ya. Me say MPP for ni tuasika o. Na NDC for no so je. MPP for ni tuasika o. Na NDC for no so je. Attorney General, we say come file contempt etia wan. We Attorney General. Obi si okotwa de afri ba bia Ghana. Went to be amfa krata antro amma company na wo Israel ne say afidie no ye toy. Ye betua o ka na ye tuaka. Went to be ehunu sa nyansa the papa she thinking. Went to be ehunu nyansa atani papa she. Went to be ehunu sa papa she general. Papa she. Say ana papa she ana. Akosha se went to be ankonu kuna yi. Sa na atani general we sumaye na Ghana aboka. Now what's the name? When to me a truck attack come company na you see a quota the free no haba. Me am a journalist am hey, me am truck rata no. What's over file content? File. I'm daring you, file. Bring it on. Okay? Moment we who na present aka okrum hawo. Me ko jail ne, me ma han dan. So when mommy catch your plane, like I said, the jail in tea, ya pam me ma. No, and see. Bring it on. Attorney General, bring it on. You were not even able to write to the company. The supposed company now. You say, "Kotos are there for you more." Mwan kasa would him say, "Answer or Kasabia, Cobre Dubai, Cobre Dubai, Cobre Dubai in case no. I do want to chachu the nibi. One more judgment to my judge. Where a case? Ya can't sama Ghana for slow, ya do who and I had there. I'm not going to forget something about Trica. If I come to buy home. And now, because you're slow. I am telling you today, even under Akufo Addo, I survived 39 times of arrest. I survived. And when I'm a Friday TV, I'm done, I say, ma, 18th December 2022. Na me mami. Nani abre utwa kwan ekobasa. 18 December 2022 was the very first time Akufo Addo ma eche me. Na antibi enwa ne sasa bomami antiama na womo kro na womo ba sa enra me fra antibi da na se ma God bless you. You think we are afraid? The youth of today, we are not afraid of Monkwakrafono. Yes, you can use the law, play around with the law, but we know the facts. Abu Trica, Otiakonyam, Menkansa branche we wire boni. I am punishing. No, that is not what I'm saying. MPP for NDC for ne so amusu etuamoka. Etimoka dia mopeno. This young guy. Men can't say what deep money and may am prosecuting. What I am saying is that if Ken Ofori Atta were lawyers, ono so ti akonyemu or say answer na maybe manono, mame lawyer mra. National security ni iyoko. Wakata wanim to say the okokum Osama bin Laden. And I would digina ho. Ono de wan fi. But Ken Ofori Atta de odi beggar. And obi so beggy e Ghana.
Mayana manye. Ehoye me hipa sa boy we. MPP.
Pacho to Attorney General video no so. Ye di bro nyawe Papa Shi General me ba beto aso.
Wani. Okay.
Pacho bo.
2020 he had finished spending I just want to and his acolytes in the social media and mainstream media have engaged in is to lawyers to defend him. Now I'm not afraid at all. All right, I am not afraid at all. But it means that there's going to be a fight in the federal courts in the US. If the district court says no, he will go to the circuit court. All right. If the circuit court says no, he's entitled to go to the US Supreme Court to fight his case. So I cannot tell you that he will come tomorrow or he will come the next day. Okay, and I'm just being honest.
Yeah. Ajolo. When the Attorney General to come, Papa Shi General.
Wait.
Ghana for youth, no matter say. We got to start rising up. I can't tell you he's coming tomorrow, but you will send Abu Trica tomorrow. I am not glorifying crime. I am not saying that fraud should be protected. No. But if indeed Ken Ofori Atta is so powerful that the government of Ghana cannot request for the US to bring him down here, then the US is complicit. Then US are accomplice in the Ken Ofori Atta case. Because how the US managed to send Abacha back to Nigeria means a lot to me. Because we are presenter, we are journalist, suade. But I just out of us now, Casanti Wabbing, forget it. It is a say, I mean, no, Casay. Abu Trica. Mimini asamu. But the fact is that so the way a gun and penning for Papa she April and Hosa de Abu Trica Beko. Na Ken Ofori Atta de Nanado. Ani John Mahama by negotiate.
Mayana manye.
Say, Agyarko won person mete kra say Ken Ofori Atta beba bedru Ghana. Na ya chere the handcuff atonensa. Oh really?
Mama Mistiano. Na menchika.
Wow.
Someone
US must understand. Say, Ken Ofori Atta ye tuntum. Trica ye tuntum. If not for anything, Trica ye say the sika no nya yo say or yeah then you say $8 million. Yes, I yate plus or minus. What is $259 million for National Cathedral one? Chief 8 F59 akaseng.
someone
SML. What's $8 million? Every SML sikanuma akaseng. Na Attorney General we asema me fa kwasua Jomama ho. Ko Jomama o communicator. Of course go your communications. Now we are lawyer. No, catch now say, I am not afraid. It will go from the district court to the circuit court, from the circuit court to the high court, from the high court to the appeals court, from the appeals court to the Supreme Court. What it means is that Ken Ofori Atta, Oma.
Wait.
Oma. Ken Ofori Atta, Oma. Eti obi a wose wunsro na ade ade be ko process we mu saa ko wie US Supreme Court no wo tro extradition order ne ko yeden ti o ye lawyer ni o wunim say ade yi emma obekwa ko wie Supreme Court enti wo tro extradition order ne ko yeden now, what you wanted to file a contempt against us. Really? Dominic Ayeni? Really? And who told you who somebody is afraid? I'm from fire home. When you catch your plane, time I will to Kwame Nkrumah. Not China, ya aware. Mafia, not Russia, ya aware. Men can interest in Ghana for. Google and look for Fatia and Nkrumah in the picture. Ne hwe fiata bo anim. Producer, no. Producer, Google Fatia and Nkrumah in the picture. Ne hwe fiata go picture to. Sesi oto we. Na me kire wade bi. Me wa me mbie ma no basabasa wo. Mafia, Kwame Nkrumah, wo betu na konya so no, na China ya aware. Na US ya aware because Tokonu ne wa Fasaki. Na Russia ya aware. Almighty Czech Republic, they were aware. UK was aware. But Oma Kwame tina planning, e kodru Hanoi, Oma nka nkyere no. Oma nka ho. Producer has some phone that I have said no. Hanoi picture no. Woman can't tell you. Obia all conference no. The do time I born a man no. China rep in here. Russia rep in here. UK rep in here. Czech Republic Repni, US repni. Say, there's a coup d'etat in Ghana. We knew, but we could not inform you. What are you talking about? Hey, Mobia didn't say, we knew. And in one of Kwame's books, when TV have my details, me, Metro book, Kwasia Classy, my details. Because I'm from under Kwame or the coffee. Otchere Yabaka Wasem. Who quans the man, papa, in Goloma? For Bakato say you want to do that. Whether you want to do that, you want to fear though, you are to remember though, whatever it is. Your friend Kwame Nkrumah, that is the name we know. Watch this. I say, we knew all of them. UK, US, China, Czech Republic, Russia, 5 nations. Look at Tagore Edim. Nashe Fati Edim.
Understand you now. Yes, that she's fair. All right.
Hey, before you enjoy concert, no yeah. I'm too much emotional this morning. And I am praying to God. So for Redu, Bompire Mammy, and I remember from. And I only 2 Kwame Nkrumah. When it said it was not Nkrumah who negotiated sir over Kwaku Guinea. After saying you bought Kwame Nkrumah Manieri, I was Hanoi. It was Russia and Czech Republic. And I catch and say, Keo, don't go back to Ghana. This is one. Now, Jinsem. Now, Jinsem. Otra conference national. Saying, there's a picture, so that table be so much of that picture. Mo bia nya na dwen se wo ye Ghana ni wakotena brochire wunim nyansa che obi a okuma wo yare mo ba nya mo ana mpapam to abotre kade ne bodwe. I am not supporting crime. I want you to understand me. I will never ever sit here and support crime. But what is Ken Ofori Atta doing in the United States of America? What is he doing over there? And Nkrumah was told, and it was Russia and China that proposed that, look, we have called your brother. You made Guinea a better place. What about that, Kwame Nkrumah here? France, come on, look me. France, at the concrete. Or your concrete mister. One of the cement near Boakye Agyarko, flash it through all the sewage pipelines and Guinea. Eti Guinea for ensu ana omonom. Guinea baby asabi wuja wona ya wo flash a fani nyina no. France for pompe concrete ekosi no mane ye ma. Wont ase UP for no Aaron my kokwe no ne hwanu ma aka no sore a na wo kan se hunu e ba Kwame Nkrumah ba yete ha yebu bese onyonko da ene wo da ena Nkrumah say oh sir ma pompe concrete France na ye bo mo ho asafo hene bo mo ho ban e wo krom ha no a ye pese by force ye masua French wo school hwade ode ye bibidi a pompe concrete a good pipelines in ese Kwame Nkrumah to free Ghana okodi Guinea na wotwe miensa making sure say contractors won't free her, Mosha same free her, yen lay new pipes. That is why a CIA and France a to overthrow Kwame Nkrumah, because that time na France sorry sa uranium no free ho. That time na say Burkina and Guinea, Mali, womo jeje womo to taxes na ye jeje wo Nkrumah na womo de akosie wo France, meanwhile womo bank. Na say bosumi bi so asem bi ba na womo pe womo sika ne bi Abraham womo koduru France na yesi de beba obesia wa wo sika na modi akosie wo ho no yesi de beba obesia. Kwame Nkrumah stood against that rubbish. And now you be went to France. Which we saw mobile phone French can kwasem. So they said, your brother is willing to accept you. Yembisa say a day and Russian military and China military and escorted Kwame Nkrumah all the way from Hanoi to Guinea. Do you know that bit of the story? Do you have an idea? He was escorted because they were afraid. Sadia Samora Machel. Huh? I didn't know Samora Machel. No. Nankan Nkrumah no person with the candy no. You bet tin we say that. So years back, to say the Russia, a protected Tuareg all the way from Burkina Faso to Russia, and from Russia back to Burkina Faso. This is the very first time Russia and China did that. They protected Kwame Nkrumah mid-air from Hanoi all the way to Guinea. Said Abeya Obian 10 Wasro. And let me sit here and tell you, do you know why France is trying to move time? Opa, only the pair where we are seeing now. Russia and India, China and India. I am waiting to see a day China president Beko France. The Russian president also Beko France. I am waiting to see that day. You don't understand the geopolitics dynamics and dynamisms that happened years back. It's we a bibini watching in Juma. And there be a bibini be a best sorry no. Then it's not for the person who say. Anytime I say any black man is rising, the whites are afraid. Why? You're afraid in global south, not from global west. You really need to take the best comes from the west. So we are global south. They are global west because the best comes from the west. They have to school them, get to university.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.